Today we have a 2006 Chrysler Town and Country Limited 3.8 motor. The customer is stating that he's getting terrible gas mileage. We are going to check the air cleaner. He cannot remember the last time he's replaced it. We're going to show you that's located and how to do it. This is your Chrysler, Dodge, or Plymouth 3.8 motor. It's a pretty good motor overall. The air cleaner happens to be located right here. This is something you should change probably I do it every 10 to 15,000 miles. And all you gotta do actually to get at this one, and people actually forget about this, and with gas prices so high right now, you definitely wanna make sure your air cleaner is good. Otherwise it affects your gas mileage. Take that one off. There's one back here. We gotta take this one off. Make sure they're loose. Now let's pop that off. A little tight, not too bad. Now, you gotta be a little careful. You still have a wire going to this back, so just push it off the side like that. It just gives you enough room to push it over. Once you get that pushed off the side, you don't have to unclip it. You undo this one. You undo that one right there, and it's got these tabs right back here that hold it. You slide that off, and you're ready to pull the old one out. Whoa, looks like that hasn't been done in a couple years. Now you might be able to see a little difference, but this does affect your gas mileage. The guy said it was getting terrible gas mileage, and I wonder why. The thing couldn't breathe. So something you should do fairly frequently. Just drop this in place like that. Take this, make sure these little tabs clip in there like that, push it down. Lock that one. We do the same thing to the one back here. Now we put this on like that. You can start this side first, however you want to do it. Put that on right there. Gives you a little extra room, and you can see this right here has a little notch. Now just line that notch up. Put that right there. Put that right there. Tighten these up. So this definitely ought to increase the gas mileage on this vehicle. Tighten that one. Tighten this one. Last thing you do is put this little breather hose on. And that's all it takes to do an air cleaner on a 2006 Chrysler Town and Country with a 3.8 motor.